to yet another video from me, the original Charlotte. So, if we can all just go back 3 weeks ago to my last post, I did an interview with 4 other artists and I asked them 5 questions each. Now, it was a pretty good video, I have to admit. But what I didn't like about that video was that I didn't have a conclusion at the end. I was just kind of like, okay, bye. So this week's video, I'm going to have that conclusion on a poster. And I'm super excited. I worked very hard on the poster. And yeah, let's just hear their responses. By the way, though, it's not just those 4 artists. I also made a Google form and got 2 other responses from 2 other artists, which is great. And yeah, let's just get on to the poster. Ta-da! Yay! It's my creativity poster. I'm so excited. I worked very hard on this. I'm just so excited to present it to you guys. I have to do a voiceover mode because I can't sit down and present it. It's called The Creativity Poster with that little faded sash there. I did everyone's self-portraits with rainbow backgrounds in order. And yeah, there's just a lot of rainbows going on and everything. You will notice that the bullet points are each rainbow, and that is because of the background, so what they said is that color for them. So basically, the first woman, she had a red background, Holly Suzanne Radar, there she is. And so what she said was with the red bullet point, if you want to know exactly what they said. So, is creativity something we are born with or something we later develop? It really depends on the person. If you are surrounded by creative people, then you will develop it too. All are born with it. I think you are born with it. Both. So that was very mixed, and I said that everyone gets a certain part of their life when they're young or old. It doesn't really matter, but everyone gets it at some point of their life. The next one was, can you see creativity spark in someone's head just by watching them? Definitely, oh yeah, yes, absolutely. In their face, yes. If their expression changes, then yes. So the answer is definitely a yes. Especially if their expression changes, maybe their eyes will rise a little bit, or their eyebrows or their mouth might drop or something. So yeah, there's that. And then, what sparks an original idea for you? From fashion and music, I explore why something catches my attention. Others writing, nature around me, seeing something new. And I like this last one, making mistakes. Because with creativity, if you make a mistake or you make a mess or you have an accident, you have to turn it into something beautiful at the end. That's what creativity essentially is. So it depends on what they're good at or their hobbies, is my summary for that. Do you believe creativity is an essential? Yes, especially now. You need it. You can be creative in any job. Absolutely. Yes, in a way, yes. The orange one by Peter said you need it, and in the video he said it's like breathing. You need to breathe. You need creativity. It's basically what we survive on. And that bottom purple one, by Jarrett, he said that in a way, yes, because it's not like a human necessity. We don't need it like we need food, water, shelter, and air. We need it like our brains need it instead. So yeah, the definite answer is yes. And oh gosh, so there I am. Okay, how does others' art want to make you do your own thing? Seeing what they do often, getting curious. I get jealous and it motivates me. I have a lot of envy for others' art. Anne Marie Thomas, the blue thought bubble, said, I'll have to think about that. I don't blame her because these are kind of tough questions and I'll feel an itch when I see it. So, in summary, seeing something and then getting an itch of motivation. That's all I've got for you today. Voiceover mode, out. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I worked very hard on the poster here. Like if you liked the poster, subscribe if you want to see more of me. You can check out the rest of the videos on my channel if you haven't already. I post every 3 weeks, so I'll see you the 30th of May. And I also want to wish a happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.